Hello, concrete fans. Today we're going to make some concrete. Let's get right into it. 500 grams of gray matter. With 7 grams of white pigment and 3 grams of black pigment. 50 milliliters of water. We're going to need a well. Making the well. Pour in the water. Oh, no. Oh no. Keeping it in. Shoot. No! Oh, nope. Let's save a bit. Oh, no. Bring in the big guns. Oh, man. Starting off with a bang. What are we making today? I can't tell you because it's a secret. I can tell you this much. We're making the color gray. This is a beautiful gray. Today we're going to be doing a very special blending technique that was requested by Akeem. Big shout out to Akeem. Thank you. Thank you for buying gray matter and watching the videos and making stuff. Thank you for making stuff. Isn't it fun? So it's a little bit on the wet side. That's a bit wet. But for a blend color, that may be perfect. Color number 2. Oh man, this thing's... You just chill. Get out of here. You hang out there. Color number 2. $500 grams of gray matter. With 20 grams of green pigment. This is going to be a great green. Let's make our well ahead of time. A good well. And we held back water, but I'm going to hold back even more. Because that's a little bit too wet for my liking. 50 milliliters of water. I'm going to pour in, keep it a bit for later. Yeah, I want to keep the water in the middle. The last one was a bit of a fail. Oh, here we go. I think I've got it at this point, though. There we go. Ooh. That was crazy. I'm going to get my hands in on this one. I think we can go a bit more water. All of it. We're going all of it. So 500 grams of gray matter, 20 grams of green pigment, and 50 milliliters of water gives us currently this crumbly mess. That's a big rock. Let me get rid of that. If we were casting something a little bit bigger, we could keep it. There. Keep it. So what if I wanted this green to be a little bit more fluid? I'd add just a little bit of water from a spray bottle. Ooh, that's nice. Keep going. Here we go. Perfect. Well, there's no need to keep it a mystery any longer. Today we're going to be making a succulents planter. This is a very cool little pot. There's a lot of things that'll fit in here. I think it's great for succulents, but you could put a tiny, tiny cactus in there. You could use it for pens and pencils and paintbrushes. I don't know, whatever you want. It's a great little shape. It's kind of a perfect size. There's a million different things you could do with it. And we're gonna make kind of a fade into this thing. So we're gonna drop some green into the bottom. Start tapping it out real early. What I'm looking to do is getting a full coverage around the bottom ring of the mold. And for dropping in the green, I'm only going to be dropping from one side, right here. So I've kind of made a bit of a green line there. That's where I'm dropping more concrete in. That's my spot. And I tab it out. So at this point, as soon as I get a full, there we go, green is touched down all the way around the ring, I'm going to start adding this perfect gray. Here we go. Okay. Give it those twinkle fingers. Twinkle fingers. A little more. Clean our edge. Thin. We'll come back to you later, like tomorrow. Look at you tomorrow. I got some concrete left over. And I know that this pretty little hex mold is the perfect place for leftover concrete. This time we're doing a little bit of a marble blend, secret marbling. Okay. There we go. And look at that. Almost. That is the perfect 1 kilo of concrete. Kind of the perfect amount. Just going to go a little bit, not quite to the same full height here, but who cares? As long whatever height you want. Go a full 1/2 inch thick, or you could underfill like I'm about to. And this would be closer to like a 3/8 of an inch, I guess. It's going to be beautiful. These will be beautiful, beautiful. Trust me, these will be beautiful. Here we are, 1 day later. Actually, probably more like about 10 hours later. But let's see what we made. Here's our two-tone stack. Oh my goodness. Very, very clean. Probably could have tried to make this bleed a little more. Maybe dragged our finger on the inside of the mold. But it's a beautiful, clean casting. No voids. Nice, I like the gray and the green. That's great. And then the hex, I'm sure will be. Hexagon was kind of an afterthought, but there they are. Super clean as well. So we've got our succulents planter and a little set of hex. Not bad. Not bad at all. Thanks for joining me. I had fun. I hope you had fun too. And until next time, this is Mr. Concrete making concrete things. If you've got ideas for concrete things, colors you want to see, types of blending, whatever, just let me know in the comments below, and I will respond, and we can make a thing. See you later.